Hello students, today I will teach that memory, computer memory. You have already learned that storage device, many storage devices also you know that is the hard disk, pen drive, these are the storage device. Okay, stored means data store, not only you think that is a computer you are keeping it at your home, that is the store, no. The whatever data you can store in your computer, that which device can take the store the data, that is the storage device, and whatever you will store, that is the data. Data means you already learned, previous video I have told, and in the class also I have told. Let us one example more I am giving to you, which is the data. Okay, suppose you came to the school, okay, with your school bag, water bottle, everything you have brought. Okay. So what things you kept in your bag? Book, pencil box, copy, etc. etc. Everything you keep in your bag. No? That means whatever you kept in your bag, that is the data. And full bag, that is the information. You have to remember of these things. Similarly, if we are saying in computer language, whatever we stored in the computer, suppose your picture, any music, okay, any documents you store in your computer, that is the data. Suppose today you draw one picture and save it, means that picture you save, that one data. Suppose we went outside, you took so many pictures, one video, school program, one video, you have to, your parents took that, you dance one nice, your parents have to, and if it is not lost, so you will keep it your computer in that one data. Okay, so this data, where you will keep? That your computer system, one device is there, hardware device, that name is storage device, remember, okay? Okay, these things we learned. So who will remember that storage? We know the computer doesn't know any language. Computer knows only one language. Which language? I told the previous class, then also I am saying here, that is 1 and 0. These two things. 1 and 0. Computer doesn't know any another things. Computer doesn't know Bengali, English, Hindi, anything. Computer knows only 1 and 0. What is called of these two things? It is called the binary number. Remember, binary number. Okay. So these two things, computer remember. Now the questions coming, sir. We type in our keyboard A, but we can see on the monitor A is coming, but it told 1 and 0. How it is possible? This thing you will learn in next class 5, 6. Actually, then also I am saying, computer, it convert the binary format. Okay, A, computer doesn't know. You have press A, okay, that is good. Computer has the special character that is called the ASCII value. This ASCII value, it comes from the binary number, 1, 0. I am saying, I will give you one example. Don't think it is the real one. Suppose A, computer doesn't know, I told just one. So A, suppose the value of A is 67. Then computer doesn't know 67 also. Okay, so A means it is the ASCII value. ASCII means control unit, CU. Okay, then this thing, control unit, it changed to the binary number. Binary number means always 1, 0. Okay, it convert to binary. Then computer can understand that is the A. So as we are typing this much first A, and as soon as it comes. But think how computer is calculating inside the CPU processors. Okay, so this is the computer memory storage unit. Okay, now today our part not like that binary numbers. Our things, that storage unit, we say any particular things are there that store unit. What I said, we know that any special things or particular things unit also there. If you want to buy the market, if the vegetable particular unit there, if you go to the any clothes or that one unit also there, yeah, meter. If you go any far away, that distance also the kilometer, that one also there. Similarly, computer also one that storage unit there, that all the byte. But remember, byte not, the smallest unit it came the bit. Okay. Now these things already I have told. Now I will show you how it came bit to byte, byte to kilobyte, kilobyte to megabyte. I will show you that. Okay. Now think this one. Suppose at smallest unit I have told this is a bit. Okay, bit. Bit means just you see computer has that is 8 box. How many have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, 2 more, 8. Okay, suppose you type A. Just now I told computer doesn't know A. A has some binary value. So whenever you press A will calculate and like this 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Suppose this thing and it will fill in that box. For A only one character, it took 8 bits. How many bits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits. So what we learn? So 8 bits. Remember, 8 bits equal to 1 byte. It came. Now we convert bit to byte. Means 8 bit to 1 byte. Now we will say the byte. So any character in place, it start from byte. That's why we will not say the bit. Okay, we will say from byte onwards. Okay. If you calculate a byte like that, then after the 1024, so it will come 1024 byte equal to 1 KB. Means this, what is the full form of KB? This KB means kilobyte. Okay, KB means kilobyte. So we learn that is bit. After that byte, the steps you just learn bit, then byte, then KB means kilobyte. Now 1024 byte. Here 8 bit equal to 1 byte. Now it came 1024 byte equal to 1 kilobyte. Now the question is coming, how is that 1024? Why not 1000? Okay, so I will say one table. Just follow here. 8 1s are 8. Happen. Just you double it. 8 double 16. 16 double 32. 32 double 64. 64 double 128. 128 double 256. This will come 256 double 512. Now 512 multiplied 2 equal to 1024. Came 1024. At last here we did not get any thousand. Okay, we got the 1024. That's why. So 8 bit, 16, all the byte. 8 byte, 16 byte, 32 byte, 64, 128, 256, 512 byte. Then 1024 byte came. 1024 byte, that time we will not say 1024 byte. What we will say? 1 KB. Okay, 1 kilobyte. Same 8 kilobyte, 16 kilobyte, 32 kilobyte, 64 kilobyte, 128 KB, 256 KB, 502 KB, then 1024 KB means 1 MB. Okay, what will be? MB, 1 megabit. So smaller unit bit, then little bit higher than byte bigger than kilobyte bigger than megabyte. Okay, then megabyte bigger than GB. Okay, you have GB mean gigabyte. In outside you have listened. I have 5 GB pen drive, 16 GB pen drive, 32 GB pen drive. What? So see the capacity of this. This is for capacity, storage capacity. This you need the capacity, how much data you can store inside your computer, your pen drive, your CD drive, anywhere. Means all the secondary drive you store, that is the unit called the byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. Okay, now now you are not using the GB. What is that? It also convert nowadays TB means terabyte. Okay, it is this nowadays is going a higher thing TB. Okay, so this is the data storage unit. You remembered. Okay, these things you learn properly, and all the structures you should remember of this part is very important things. It comes from and bit 8 bit equal to 1 byte. This thing you will remember. Now someone you think it's a smaller than bit is not there. Obviously there. That is called the nibble. You will not get your book. Nibble. Okay. 4 nibble equal to 1 bit. Remember, 4 nibble equal to 1 bit. Okay. So this thing is no need. You have to learn of this one. Okay. So this is the structure. This thing you will get on your book, and you will learn which language computer knows. 0 and 1. That is called the binary language. You should remember of this one also. Okay? Clear? So, thank you, students class.